How to activate 100 times zoom on your Pixel 10 Pro. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate 100 times zoom on Pixel 10 Pro. So Pixel 10 Pro comes with the 100 times zoom, which is AI generated details. So the way it works here, it has 5 times telephoto lens, which works as an optical zoom, and anything from let's say 10 to 20 times zoom would be AI enhanced. Now when it goes beyond that, anything beyond that and up to 100 times zoom, these are all AI generated details. So AI looks at the picture you're looking at, and then it just enhances the image. So it's actually not real picture you're looking at, but AI comes very close to give you the looks of a real picture. And if you try to do 100 times zoom on your camera, you're going to see that it's not going to work. So for example, here I have the camera app and I'm just trying to zoom, and let's see what happens. So it's going you can see here 12 times, 30 times, and you can see that 30 times is the limit on here. So it doesn't go beyond 30 times. So the way you can activate that, what you have to do, you need to do two things. The first thing might solve the problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to do the second thing. The first thing, you have to change the pixel from 50 to 12. So for example, if we go back to the camera settings and then go to the Pro tab, and then you can see that resolution, you can, right now this is 50, so you're going to change it to 12, and then AI can work on 12. It doesn't know how to work on 50. So once you have that 12, let's go back, and then if you try to zoom now, you can see that this is going to keep going. You can see that 50%, 80%, 100%. So that's the limit. I cannot show you anywhere here because I'm in a closed space. So this is 100 times zoom, you can see, and it's telling you to move back to focus, but you got the idea. So this is 100 times zoom, and AI is going to enhance the picture and then give you almost like a real kind of looking picture. So in order for this to work, you have to switch it to 12 megapixel resolution, and then even if that doesn't work, then you may need to reinstall or upgrade your camera app from Google Play. So that's the number two or second thing you may want to try. If this changing from 50 to 12 doesn't work, then just try to update the camera app from Google Play Store and reinstall or upgrade, and then that should work. So this is how you activate 100 times zoom on Google Pixel 10 Pro camera. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.